Be honest. How many times have you opened an app, closed it because you got bored, and then immediately opened the exact same app again? Our attention spans aren't just shortening, they are actively frying, and it's making us miserable. We live in a world of hyper-stimulation. Every single ping, like, and 7-second video gives your brain a cheap hit of dopamine. Over time, your brain adapts. It raises the baseline. Suddenly, reading a book, studying, or even watching a normal movie feels painfully boring. You don't have a broken brain, you just have a hyper-stimulated one. So, I tried a trend that's taking over right now. A 48-hour attention reset. Not a month-long digital detox where you move to the woods. Nobody has time for that. Just 48 hours of radical under-stimulation. Here's the rule. No short-form video, no background podcast while you eat, and no double screening. If you are doing a task, you only do that task. The first 5 hours, absolutely brutal. Your brain will literally itch for a screen, but then something crazy happens. By day 2, the world slows down. Your brain realizes it doesn't need constant noise. I read 40 pages of a book without looking away once. I actually tested my lunch. Here's the secret. Boredom is the birthplace of focus. When you allow your mind to be bored, your brain dopamine receptors naturally reset. Your attention span comes back. You don't need a massive lifestyle overhaul. You just need to let your brain catch its breath. If you feel like your focus is completely shot, I challenge you to try a mini reset this weekend. Turn off notifications for just half a day and see how it feels. Comment below with your average screen time if you are brave enough to admit it. Let's see who needs this reset the most.